Hey guys, my name's Dave, Operations Manager here at Hess Tent Rental. I want to give you guys a little bit of an insight on how we stack our tables and chairs inside your tent for your event if we're not setting them up. So these are our 8-foot tables. We lean them up against your center pole if we're just leaving them there for you. And these are our chairs, which we have on a stack of 50 here with the black folding chairs. What we do is we put a ratchet strap around these chairs just so they don't move inside our truck and while we get them to your site. So what we'll do at your event is we will pop these straps so you don't have to, but I just wanted to let you know that we do have them strapped, and once we pick these chairs up, when we come back from your event, we just expect them to be stacked in this fashion. Just how you see them when we leave them. If you could replicate that, that would help us out a lot. So we put these covers around them at every event. We will go through our chairs before we leave just to make sure that they're clean for you. And again, they're on a black skid here. We lay the black skid down. When you're stacking them, when your event's done, just stack them just like how you see them right on the skid. And if you can't figure out the strap, we'll do it for you. But the strap goes right under the skid, just like that. I'll pull it up from around the other side and then ratchet it tight. So this is what a shorter stack of 50 looks like. It's about 40 chairs here. And then a full stack of 50 looks like this with the cover all the way around it. Again, we'll take this cover off and we will pop this strap for you just in case it gets a little tough and tight. So we'll pop that and leave it just like that for you after we look through them. So going on with your linens here, if you needed a refresher on how to go through your linens and what's what, our foreman will explain that to you when he is on site. But if you need another reference, we're going to bring in tight here to our order and what we bring to your house. So for this event, we have 12 8-foot tables, and on our order here it says 60 by 120 inch half length rectangular polyester linen. So if we go to the order that they send with us, is in this order there's 12 black 60 by 120 rectangular, and then going over to the actual bag of what is inside this bag, we have black 60 by 120 rectangular poly 12, and that's what we need. So they'll send that with you for your event, and there'll be a bunch of reference points just in case you need to refresh on. So if you have your order with you, that'd be great. You can match what it says from our order to the linens. And inside each bag, it will tell you what is in each plastic bag. They also send these bags with, these colored bags with, and once your event is complete, all you have to do is just take the linens off of your table and stuff them in this bag and tie it shut, and you're all wrapped up. Lastly, I want to show you guys about how we leave sidewalls for each event. We stack our sidewalls up just like this, and we'll leave them on the tables or on the chairs at your event just to keep them off the ground and keep them clean. We'll also ask you, is there a place that we can keep them dry out of the rain if it is supposed to do something like that for your event. If that's the case, once the event's over, it would be awesome if you could bring them back inside the tent and leave them with the tables and chairs. If not, we'll make a note on our order to grab them out of your garage or shed or wherever we leave them. But again, we just stack them up just like this off the ground for your event, just to keep them out of the weather. So it's the end of your event and all of your tables and chairs are set up. What we'll do once we leave your house after install, we will leave your ratchets and straps and your cover and your skid on site away from your tent somewhere. So when you're ready to clean those up, you can grab the skids, lay your ratchet out, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'll take a skid and put it somewhere in the middle of the tent. I'll roll my ratchet out, I'll put my skid down, and then I'll start stacking the chairs with the seat facing up. If you come in here, I'll have Bruce come in here, and the legs go a certain way. So these legs, they go in this crease here in the valley of this skid. So that leg fits just like that in there with the seat facing up, and then you'll continue to stack chairs on top of that until you reach 50 chairs.
Our folding chairs, which are our metal folding chairs, we have black and white. They stack up to 50. And we have resin chairs, which are white and mahogany, which are like more plastic. They stack in stacks of 25. And then you'll take your ratchet, you'll go around your chairs, and you'll ratchet strap that tight. Then put your cover on top of that. Lastly, I just want to say thank you for taking the time of watching this video and actually taking the time to stack the tables and chairs correctly. It really helps us out a lot, and we thank you for doing that. So that wraps up the video, talking about tables, chairs, linens, and how we leave our sidewalls for your event. Make sure to check out our other links for heater instructions and sidewall instructions on how to do that if you need a question or before you call one of our foremen to help you out. Thanks.